We will in this video cover the following. What's a ratchet strap? How does it work? The specification and dimensions of a 50mm ratchet strap. And what's a 50mm ratchet strap used for? What's a ratchet strap? Ratchet strap, or as some prefer, webbing lashing, lashing strap, or tie down. We will call them ratchet straps in this video. A ratchet strap consists of durable, hard-wearing webbing and some metal. It consists of two parts who need to be combined to do the job they are intended for. The first part is a short part with a hook in the one end and a ratchet in the other end. The second part is a long strap who only have attached a hook in the one end. We will take a look on the ratchet straps used to secure heavy product cargo, show examples from usage of the 50mm ratchet strap in action, and explain a little more details about that type later on in the video. How does it work? The ratchet strap works in that way that you take the hooks from part 1 and 2 and then mount them to point A and B. When that's done, you need to combine the ratchet with the strap. You take the strap and put it through the ratchet. When that's done, you pull the handle on the ratchet back and forth so the strap is tightened. There's a locking mechanism which ensures that the strap will not loosen. You loosen the strap by pulling the lever out to 180 degrees and then press the spring down which holds the strap in place. A great advice is to not roll too much webbing up in the ratchet. If you roll too much up, it will not be possible to release the strap without damaging the webbing, and you then need to replace it. The specification and dimensions of a 50mm ratchet strap. The material used in a ratchet strap. The straps consist of usually durable, hard-wearing polyester webbing, giving them low strain stability, and in rare cases they are made with nylon. Nylon is stretchier but less durable and has a lower working load limit. The ratchet and the hook are made of steel. The standard width of a ratchet strap comes in 4 sizes: 25mm, 35, 50 and 75mm. They all have in common that the millimeter after the number describes the weight of the strap and the ratchet mouth the strap shall through. You can here see a specification of the weight exposure limits of the 4 different sizes. As you can see is the 50mm ratchet straps limit 5 ton. And we will now show some examples from customers we have delivered our 50mm ratchet straps to, and the cargo who it was used to secure in what's a 50mm ratchet strap used for. Here's some examples of tasks where we have delivered the 50mm to. A 50mm ratchet strap is the second biggest addition of our standard ratchet straps. It is used to secure cargo under both sea and road transport. Under the 50mm we have 2 smaller sizes on respectively 25 and 35mm, but it's typically used for mounting things of smaller character. The biggest ratchet strap we typically sell is the 75mm, who is used to secure the heaviest cargo. We have in ScanNautic taken some pictures of what the 75mm ratchet strap we have sold is being used for. If you want to see which tasks it has been used for, then click on the card in the right upper corner. 50mm ratchet strap is used to mount heavy cargo who needs to be transported. It's usually truck drivers who use that edition of the ratchet strap, but it can also be used to secure cargo on board ships. A great tip is to turn the strap a half rotation so there's a twist on it. It prevents the strap to vibrate in the wind, which create wear points. If you're interested to hear about associated products, then click on the playlist who will appear on your screen right now. Or choose the one video showing up on your screen right now. It's a recommended video YouTube think you would be interested in.